What's up, world of YouTube? Justin ATV here again with you. Appreciate you joining me today for this little Snap-on Friday tool haul. Stay tuned. First thing up that I got was the metric long shank hex 3/8 drive. Part number on that, get that in here without any glare, it's 206EFAML. It is a 6-piece set. Sizes range 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 10. And these are made in America. Actually, these are made about 45 minutes an hour from my house in Elizabethton, Tennessee. So there we go. I'm actually helping support local jobs with this one. Next thing on the receipt is a Burp funnel from Lisle. Part number on this is 24680. If you're not familiar with one of these, you actually take and it's got 4 adapters. You find whichever one fits for your radiator cap or your overflow jug, since some of them don't have radiator caps. But what you will do is stick this in there, set the cap over it, tighten it down, and depends on, you know, if you've got crooked bends that you need to do or whatever, or if it's kind of down in there, you've got a long tube. What you do is set that down in there, start pouring your coolant into your vehicle, and once it gets up and stays up for a little bit, you know, it'll let the air come out. Start your vehicle up and it'll start circulating the coolant through the engine. Once the thermostat opens up, it really will let the coolant start moving. But you want to keep the fluid level up here a little ways. That way there's always fluid trying to go down and the air is coming up and it'll sit there and burp itself out. Well, once you have it topped off, you can take this little T plug, push it down in there, and it holds the coolant in the funnel. So you will remove the funnel out of the adapter, go over to your jug, your bucket, whatever, pull the T handle out, and it'll empty back out into the jug. Virtually almost no mess. If you've got to use some of these adapters, you may have a little, but it's not the end of the world. Throw this to the side and I'll be right back with you. Last but not least on today's tool haul, I picked up I wanted the high vis, but by the time he got to me, he had done got them sold, and this is the last set he had. I'm just glad it wasn't that ugly blue that they have. But this is a 7-piece set, snap ring plier set from Snap-on. I love the way the rubber is on their handles. And for those who don't know, these snap ring pliers, since it's a 7-piece, you actually got 14 because they're reversible. Part number on this set is SRP C107ADP. So done took these out of the plastic. Oh, come on. It's actually a pretty color blue. It'd look real smoking hot on a older body style Chevy or Ford car, truck, either one. But they come very well oiled, so those will be going in the box. I appreciate you all joining me today. If If you haven't already done so and you're new to this channel, like to see more tool hauls, some DIY stuff, or tips and tricks, there's never no telling what you'll see on this channel. Click that subscribe button down there below, ring that bell, give it a thumbs up, and we'll catch you all in the next one. We'll see you. Alright, and for those of you that have stuck around, you will get first chance on a giveaway. I'm going to do a 1,000 subscriber giveaway. Once I go over 1,000 subscribers, 1,001, I'm going to do a giveaway. But this is the first sneak peek. So if you've stuck around, congratulations. My rules are, you have to be subscribed, of course, and I have to be able to see that you are subscribed. Next, you have to comment on this video and you have to like this video. I will be able to see if you've liked it or not. Leave a comment down in the comment section that says, I love the purple snap ring pliers. And I will start making a list, putting your name on it. First place will have your pick between a brand new, sealed up in the plastic, 30 ounce snap-on tumbler, stainless steel tumbler, and snap-on bottle opener. And the other prize, instead of Irwin, and I was nice enough, I went out and got both sets. These are brand new. I have not used them, but I went ahead and opened them up so I could put all in the same case. So these, I actually have a set of my own down there. If you've not seen them or not familiar with them, you can actually put a socket or closed end wrench, open end wrench, or 3/8 drive ratchet or impact on them. But you get both sets. Normally if you just buy it, you get the case in this row, and this is the expansion pack. So you know what the rules are. Let's get to them. We'll see you. Bye.